All right. So, hello, to you, dear client. First of all, I'd like to thank you for your interest in getting Sun Life Assure. So, by the way, Sun Life Assure is one of our best sellers in Sun Life because aside from it's the cheapest, it's also the one that will give you the highest coverage for the very cheap price. So, as mentioned in my post, it will only be up until uh, August 18 for the 500,000 as a minimum. But still, this plan is active. The only difference is it will now be 1 million as our minimum coverage for this plan, no? So, by the way, for this plan, somehow the ages 55 onwards will not be able to avail already this one. So, what I can offer for 55 and above is the Sun Life Classic peso regular pay so that you can still have it for around 1,700 to 2,000 per month. And it's still regular pay. So when we say regular pay, that means it's payable for life until critical illness happens or death happens. Okay, so Sun Life Assure is also a regular pay type of plan. However, temporary coverage siya. So, when we say temporary coverage, your coverage only lasts for a year. The next year, you will renew. However, your health will not be anymore checked so long as you're able to pay your premiums or your dues on time. Okay? So, meaning to say, mahulog siya regular pay just because you can pay it up to age 75. Now, let's just say, for example, no, because you can actually give this as a plan for your workers, and that if ever that worker is no longer available or no longer working with you, you can stop their insurance. But if they wish to continue on their own expense na, okay? So that at least they're still protected, okay? Now, this is one of our traditional plans. So when we say traditional plans, this one is not permanent because it's only temporary, good for a year. But if you will renew next year, you will not be anymore tawag dito, dili na ka i-check sa health. Pero if maputol ni mo siya, then technically for the next year, you will not be covered anymore. And paspasad ni ang iyahang lapse because it's only a temporary insurance. So, mean to say, if you cannot pay within the schedule or within the deadline, 60 days lang ang iyahang leeway. I think 30 to 60 days lang. Then you will no longer be covered for 500,000 as you requested in the proposal. No? However, ang nakanindot ani niya is if you just focus your other money for investment on personal savings, for pag-ibig, for MP2, this is a temporary life insurance that will fit for your required need lang at the moment. Kay barato siya, and dako kay siya coverage, no? So kana siya as mentioned, there is a critical illness coverage, but please take note that this is life or health. So that means whichever comes first. Mo na tong term ha, whichever comes first. If critical illness happens first, which are listed here in the proposal, 36 nga na list dire. Common ones are heart attack, stroke, cancer, kidney failure, paralysis, brain tumor, deafness, organ transplants, coronary artery, Parkinson's, all those. Even isa lang ani that the doctor will declare that we have such, automatic we will get 500,000. Okay, so long as we fail in the requirements during the claims, which I will be guiding you. So for the claims, so long as if prepare lang yun ninyo tanan ninyo abstract records from the doctor, we will be able to claim the 500,000. That is if critical illness happens first. However, if life or death happens first, automatically the money 500,000 goes to your beneficiaries. So kinsa man inyong ilista nga beneficiary will get the 500,000. So for example, if you list down two beneficiaries, that means 50% for the first beneficiary and 50% sa second beneficiary. You can change beneficiaries from time to time, especially if magkaasawa na, magkaanak, if temporarily your mother or father is your initial beneficiaries. Okay? Now, for parents, if kuhaan mo ani, if 55 na gid sila, di na gid siya pwede, no? Kay this one is up until age 75 ra iyahang renewal. Okay? Now, the part where it needs to be explained is the premium schedule. Premium is your payment due. Now, for the premium schedule, guys, your if your quarterly payments for the first 5 years is 1212.75, inig every 5 years mo change siya, musaka siya, because of course, as we age, the risk of getting sick or dying increases as well based on statistics, no? So, mo 1452 na siya, 200 pesos lang, no, na increase, 200 plus. Then, mo increase na po siya in 11th and 15th year, okay? So, basically, uh, if you will not pay for the benefits, if you want to terminate your benefits because you want to get a permanent plan, okay ra sad na siya. Kay temporary naman gyud siya nga life insurance. Okay? However, if this is what you can afford and for you this is what is uh let's say enough for you because the other money nako di lang nako ibutang sa investment, I'll just put it in my bank or di lang sa nako invest because the permanent plans are those with savings or investments, but this one wala siya savings, wala siya investments, it's pure life insurance and critical illness benefit. Okay, so kana siya. So as mentioned, you will be renewing until age 75 if you want to pursue or continue, but if you wish nga i-stop na siya, then you will have a record already in Sun Life that you terminated the plan. It might affect the decision of the company nga i-decline imong next nga application because you have already a record that you weren't able to pay a premium, especially kung napa siya sa first 5 years kay murag mahugmang gud na ang sixth year renewal period magud na nimo, and if you wish nga di na ka mo renew sa sixth year, medyo okay ra na siya nga record. Pero katong sa second year, wala ka ni padayon, somehow it will have like a bad record that you cannot maintain your premium. So, if you will apply for another one, medyo na siya, it will include in the decision making of the company. Okay? But I'm not promising na di sad siya nga dili ma-approve, no? It could still be approved depending on our kanang validation na medyo nahutdan gyud sa og budget by that time because maybe loss of work and all which is out of our scope, no, not in our control. So pwede ra sad gyud na siya because I had clients that had lapse na policies but were able to get another plan. But I am really not suggesting that you will cut off the plan if you wish to have a coverage, no, nga barato and dako. Okay? So, if you're okay already with this price, to get your monthly computation, you just divide this by 3. This is quarter, and if you notice, the annual is actually cheaper. So, the 4410 is only, this is my sample ha. So, 4410 divided by 12, that's only 367.5. That means it's even below the promised 500 pesos per client, no? So, 367.50 ra gyud siya. Tapos, um, if I do the quarterly premium 1212.75 divided by 3, that's 404.25. So you get to save 10% if you pay it annually. And somehow, medyo less pud ang chances of lapse policies for annual kay next year pa man nimo siya una-una. Tiguman lang nimo siya on your own para naa kay ma-come up na 4,410 at the end of the kanang year para imo na po siya ibayad for next year. Since 5 years pa man sad siya that mapareha siya. Uy, na-mail na ko akong self, but basically magdepende siya sa price ha. That means it's pwede for male, pwede for female, but I do not recommend this for kids kay less pa mong sa likely that the kids will have critical illness, no, and simba ko palayo die, 'di ba? So Eduk plan ako masuggest for kids. So if you want, I have 1,000 to 1,500, 700,000 coverage plus investments for kids. If you wish, I can make one. For your parents, I would suggest the Sun Life Classic Peso Regular Pay para pay till death na lang siya. No, di lang sad kung suggest nga 10 years lang kay wato kay baw simbako. We're not praying, but what if less than 10 years usad sila? So, pay till death na lang, barato pa imong bayad monthly, no? Naa na siya life insurance. But, with savings lang siya. Di na sad kay ko mo recommend og CIB for parents kay somehow if inaana na stage nanggawas na magud ang sakit. So, life insurance na lang yun atong ma-offer. Ma-approve pa man siya if life insurance lang. Wala lay a critical illness. And mahal na sa siya ang critical illness at that age. Kaya mag-agad magud si CIB based on your age, no? Kaya mas dako naman ang chances for getting critical illness. So, sanay classic peso lang yun siya life plus savings para at least nagyay pa yung savings nga part, nagyay pa yung dividends na yung magtubo. Pero for kids, I really suggest the Maxilink Prime or Maxilink 100 para naapay taas nga tubo ang mga bata nga funds. And I usually put it in the global funds. Kaya it's really trending right now. It's doing good performance. Um, ang presentation is unlike ng 7%, it will go up to 20 to 25%. Our clients who are investing 1 million are receiving 17,000 per quarter payout. So that's around 60,000 plus per year. Additional sa ilang 1 million plus the growth pag yun sa ilahang funds alone nga 1 million. So nakoy client in 2 months, dito buog 60,000 iyahang 1 million. So she will be getting like 120,000 additional for the year, 'di ba? So nahinana na mga plans si Sun Life, okay? So that's it lang, and let me know if you're okay with that. I will be sending the requirements. You just need to fill out the form I will be sending for your data. Then selfie with a valid ID and your valid ID alone. After that, I will send you a link where you can sign your proposal. Please check the details. Once there are no corrections, you sign it back, provide the place of signing and the date. It will be automatic. You will message me that you're done signing. Then after that, I will give you a serial number that you will be using for your payment. So you can pay either any bank, BPI, BDO, Union Bank, RCBC, or even pay via credit card. We can do that. You can even allocate uh, debit arrangement for BPI and BDO or credit arrangement for kanang monthly billing na lang siya ba or quarterly billing para di jud ka makalimot. We can do that also. Enrollment or GCash. Pwede ra gyud kayo. Just let me know which one is comfortable for you, and I think it's in the form that I personally made para dali na lang ang akong encoding. Alright, if you have further questions, please let me know. So for this plan, actually guys, kay standard magud ni quick quote. So your family name will be the open parenthesis. So still your birthday and then use open parenthesis instead your actual family name nga first letter, ha? Thank you guys. So I hope you will like the plan for temporary purposes and at least with the coverage because we'll never know, no? We have clients that were healthy 2 years ago. Then after 2 years, I was able to process thyroid cancer. I was able to process stroke. So please, please make yourselves insured. Bye. Thank you.